Hello, everyone! Welcome to the Magic Python channel. We are continuing our series of short videos on learning PySpark. In the previous video, we learned how to build advanced filters using AND, OR, and functions like isIn. Today we move to a very important topic. We will learn how to work with dates in PySpark. This is critical because almost all analytics is time-based. In real-world data, almost every dataset includes time. User events, transactions, logs, sessions, and most business questions depend on time. How many users were active today? What happened yesterday? How does activity change over time? So we need to understand how to work with dates. Let's look at our schema, df.print schema. If you followed previous lessons, event_date should already be a date type. If not, we convert it. From PySpark.skl.functions import to _date. df equals df dot with column event_date to _date event_date. Now we have a proper date column. Now let's extract parts of the date. From PySpark.skl.functions import year, month, day of month. df equals df dot with column year, year event_date. With column month, month event_date. With column day, day of month event_date. Show result, df.show. These columns help us group by month, analyze trends, build time-based metrics. For example, monthly activity, daily users, seasonality. Now let's filter by a specific date. df.filter df event_date equals the 1st of January 2025 closing parenthesis dot show, or filter range. df.filter df event_date greater than equals the 2nd of January 2025 closing parenthesis dot show. This is very common in analytics. Let's calculate number of events per day. df.group by event_date closing parenthesis dot count closing parenthesis dot order by event_date closing parenthesis dot show. Now we see activity over time. This is the first step toward real metrics like the EU daily active users, event trends, usage patterns. This type of aggregation is used everywhere. Product analytics, monitoring systems, dashboards. This is how companies understand user behavior. Today we learned how to work with date columns, how to extract year, month, day, how to filter by date, how to analyze data over time. This is a key skill for real-world analytics. Your homework: extract month from event_date. Count events per month, sort results by month. Then answer in the comments which month has more events. Bonus: count events per day. Thank you for watching. Practice the homework and write your answer in the comments. In the next video, we will calculate our first real metric, Dow daily active users. Subscribe to the Magic Python channel and see you in the next video.